Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about triple integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer the integration of dy you got about y. So we can put the bounds from 0 to s. So this one that will go in here, and number 0 that will go in here. So this one we have 2z s e to the power of negative s squared. So for this one, we can put like this. This one for the z, so we put z go in here. Multiply by this integration from 0 to number 1, and that is about 2s e to the power of negative s squared ds. So we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to negative s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative number 2s ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. And now we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 0, that is from here. So we put number 0 on here to change the value of u. So u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, that is from here. So number 1, I will put this one on here. So u equals to negative number 1. Number 0, we keep the same. Number 1, we change for negative number 1. Negative s squared we change for u. 2s ds we change for negative du. The integration of this one we have like this. So I will put negative number 1 go in here, number 0 go in here. So we simplify, and we have negative 1 over e plus number 1. Now the integration of this one, that is about z squared over number 2. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 4 after we do this integration. So we calculate this one, and we have 15 over number 2. So this one multiplied by this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.